Hello, this is Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts. Welcome to my channel. So good to have you here. I want to share with you something I got from Stephanie at Coffee Paper Scissors. And apparently I won one of her giveaways. So anyway, I wanted to show you. I got a little card from her. And I had won this. Isn't this adorable? Let's pull this out. Look at that. I love how this makes it look like this is the top part of the card. Like that. But it's actually a journal card. It's sweet little bunnies. How cute. And then there was also this one. Greetings at Easter. And they're all journal cards and beautiful. And this one, a happy Easter. Isn't that the sweetest thing ever? Thank you, Stephanie, for finding me and letting me know. And letting me know I was no longer subscribed. I'm watching her videos all the time now. Especially she's doing these different pockets and stuff. And it's wonderful. I love your stitching around this piece. Mine never stitched that well. Because I'm a crazy paper sewer, but yours is really nice. But thank you so much, and these are just absolutely precious. So I will put those in one of my keepsake journals, and that I haven't made yet. Remember, I told you I was going to make my little pocket journal like you're doing. So anyway, thank you, Stephanie. I sure appreciate it. And I so appreciate you getting to me and finding me so that I could come back and resubscribe and, you know, watch. I don't comment a lot on people's videos because I know how much it is how to go back and respond to everything. But I will comment from now on. I will definitely treasure this. Thank you so much. So, Christmas in July is what this video is mostly about. Christmas in July with Caryl at Free Spirit Arts. You can create anything Christmas. Let me hold my thought for me, will you? Hey, Libby, that's Mommy's. No. Liberty is here, and she wanted me to say hello to you and tell you that she brings the packages in from outside. So, they get little chew marks on them, but this one is because she just decided to chew on it. So, anyway, happy day from Liberty Bell. So, Christmas in July with Caryl at Free Spirit Arts. Create anything Christmas, an ornament, journals, cards, anything Christmassy. And then stop by Free Spirit Arts and let her know I sent you over and that you were joining the Christmas in July event. She has a Christmas in July video that she did. So post your videos to hashtag Christmas in July. All one word, all lowercase. Oh, where did it go? Christmas in July. If you don't create videos, no problem. Just let Caryl know. And she and I'll help her if she'd like. We'll have a solution for you to share your items you've created. So you could send them email to either one of us if you like. And we'll post them on our part of our videos. So anyway, big hugs from me, Angela. And this here is a digital background of my new Christmas digital, not yet published. So please don't copy this for your own use. I have put little marks in it, watermarks in it. So anyway, it's one I have coming out. But I wanted to use it and let you know about Christmas in July. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to use Liberty. No. Thank you. I'm going to use a combination of tailor-made journals, compass and ink, and the journal boat. And I'm going to do a Christmas in July journal. So these here are all from, let's see. These are all from Compass and Ink. No, the journal boat. Sorry. This is from the journal boat. This is her ephemera portion of the pack. Beautiful envelope. And this one. And these. And these beautiful journal cards. Oh, those are so pretty. And here's some more ephemera. And some more. And some more. So those are all the journal boat. And then on this, I have added from Compass and Ink. On the front of all these are the two, the digital journal kit and the digital collage from Compass and Ink. So, and then on the back, I have put either a tailor-made journal or the journal boat. But first, let's look at the front from Compass and Ink. This is a journal one. I'm going to set them off to the side here so I can just flip them over and go back over the backs with you. Isn't that beautiful? Perfect for journaling, isn't it? I love this. It's so pretty with that red in the background. And this one. Very pretty. And this one. Now these are PDF and they don't print all the way to the edge, but that's okay because a lot of times you have to cut your pages down anyway. So it actually works out really well. And this one. Now this is her, I believe, let's see. Let me see. Oh no, this is still her journal, Christmas journal pack. Very pretty. Oh, I like that with the heart in there and an apple in the background. And beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here's another one. So I did, like I said, I printed front and back on these. Oh, so pretty. A lot of journaling space there. Beautiful. I think that's the second one I might have of that one. Okay, so there's that. Now this is also Compass and Ink, and this is her Christmas collage papers. And I printed these front and back as well. Very, very pretty. Great combination. Very beautiful. And they print out exceptionally well. Very, very pretty. Lots of wonderful collage pages there. And I'm just going to I'll use them both as collage and as inserts for the journal. And this one with the antlers. And this one. Oh, look at the candles. And this one. I love pine cones. I love the look of the holly berries, and this is so pretty. And the poinsettias. And this was one that I misprinted, so it'll be used for collage. Now, on the back of these are mostly by the Journal Boat. Now you can also see things that kind of come through. But here's this one. Beautiful, isn't it? And then when I come across the other tailor-made journals, I'll let you know. So this is the Journal Boat. And doesn't it match beautifully well with the others? Oh, I love that one. It's so pretty. Some great background papers that she made. And journaling papers as well. Very pretty. I love this one. Isn't that beautiful? And this one with the lights on his antlers. And I can imagine just putting some little dots of sparkles in here with stickles. And this one I've showed you before. And this one, I repeated some of them. And this is another Journal Boat. Pretty, pretty, pretty. This is the Journal Boat, I believe. Or is that Compass and Ink? I think it's the Journal Boat. Yeah, that's the Journal Boat. Now, this is Tailor Made Journals. And she has some large ephemera in her ephemera packs for Christmas. And I bought it last year, and I have most of it printed out. So I'll be using some of the ephemera from the Tailor Made Journals. So that's Tailor Made. This is the Journal Boat. The Journal Boat. And there's another Journal Boat. This is once again Tailor Made Journals. And this one, the center comes right about here. But this is going to be mostly in the signature, so a little piece of lace along here will cover this piece up. Perfect place for a red or green, or even washi tape. This is a tailor-made journal. I just thought it was perfect, you know, because a lot of times we put our collage in. Well, this allowed me just to put them in on the back of the page because she had them so large. And it's perfect. You know, we can figure out what we're going to do about the upper edge. Some of it will get cut off. And this will be in the spine, so that's no problem. And this one is tailor-made. a Christmas page. Very cool. We could buy ornaments. Ornaments, 32 cents each for 1 3/4. 2 1/4, 77 cents for 12. Oh, and that's 32 cents for 12. Wow. And this is a tailor-made ideal Christmas gift, $1. This one is the Santa with, of all good things with which we're blessed, Mason's wine essence are the best. 6 will buy a bottle, 60, which will make glasses in 6 minutes, of delicious, non-intoxicating wine. So there's that. And then this one, an ideal Christmas gift, Appleton's Stratford on Avon Shakespeare. 12 volumes. Wow, there you go. Please send me COD, $1 charges prepaid, set of Stratford on Avon Shakespeare and art portfolio. I agree to pay the balance at the rate of $1 per month for 14 months. There you go. And that is it. So hop on over to Caryl at Free Spirit Arts and let her know that you are signing up for the hashtag Christmas in July. And let her know I sent you over. Thank you. And hugs. Bye.